Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Cricket is where we start as the Jamaica Tallow. In athletics, five-time world 100-meter champion Chilean Fraser-Pryce has indicated that she was able to return to sprint training ahead of her 100-meter event at the Brussels Diamond League meet on Friday. Fraser-Pryce was a late withdrawal from the 100-meter event at the Lausanne stop a week ago after feeling some discomfort in her hamstring. However, the 35-year-old says that she will be able to compete at Friday's meet.
Far, it's strange at this time of the season to have like a contraction or a niggle in your hamstring, something that you're very aware of. And I think I went to Bellinzona. I was in Bellinzona and I got some treatment for a couple of days. And I think the last 2 days have been very optimistic. I was able to sprint, and today I'm looking forward to going back to practice and see how everything is. But I think it should work out well. It's not 100%, but again, I'm optimistic.
Fraser-Pryce will renew rivalry with compatriot Shericka Jackson. The two will face off against the American pair of Sha'Carri Richardson and Alia Hobbs, as well as Ivorian Marie-Josée Tallou. And the World Athletics has announced that the indoor championships scheduled to be held in Nanjing from March 17 to 19 in 2023 have been postponed due to the ongoing pandemic conditions in China. China reported 2,057 new COVID-19 cases on August 31, according to the National Health Commission on Thursday. Nanjing was initially selected to host the 2020 World Athletics Indoor Championships, which were first postponed until March 2021 and then to March 2023 as the pandemic continued. World Athletics said the decision to postpone the 2023 event was taken with the agreement of both the Nanjing Organizing Committee and the Chinese Athletics Association. The bid process for the 2026 championships has also commenced. In football, Leicester City will look to extend their unbeaten run against Manchester United to 5 games as the teams meet at the King Power Stadium in the lone English Premier League game today at 2 p.m. The Foxes have won 2 and drawn 2 of their last 4 meetings with Manchester United. United, however, have enjoyed the better of exchanges throughout the years with 19 wins and 9 draws against Leicester City in 32 meetings. The game is a significant one for Manchester United, who have endured a tough 2022. Should the Reds win, this will be the first time that they have managed to put together 3 successive victories since December 2021. The Foxes are also desperate for a win as they sit bottom of the table with 1 draw and 3 defeats in their 4 games so far this season. And that's it for your midday sports report. Kelisha, it's back to you.